Oracle packages. Introduction. A package is an Oracle object which holds other objects within it. PLSQL packages are schema objects that groups logically related procedures, functions, constants, variables, and cursors. It is a way of creating generic, encapsulated, and reusable code. Components of an Oracle package. A package has usually two components, specification and a body. Package specification. The specification is the interface to the package. It just declares the types, variables, constants, exceptions, cursors, and subprograms that can be referenced from outside the package. Package body. The body of the package contains the definition of the public objects that are declared in the specification. The package body has the code for various methods declared in the package. The create package body statement is used for creating the package body. The syntax for creating package body is as follows. Create package body, package name as function definition, procedure definition, and package name. Advantages of packages. Packages offer the following advantages. Package enable organizing applications as efficient modules. It allows granting of privileges efficiently. They enable overloading of procedures and functions if required. They promote reusability of code. They improve performance by loading multiple objects into memory at once. Creating package. The first step in creating a package is to create its specification. The specification declares the objects that are contained in the body of the package. A package can include functions and procedures. After the specification is created, the body of package needs to be created. The body of package is collection of detailed definitions of the objects that were declared in the specification. Example: display the student name, course, and total by implementing package. Creating package specification. SQL. Create replace package as procedure, Jan procedure, number in number, function, JNF function, number in number, return number, end package. PLSQL code for implementing package. SQL edplpkg. Set server output on. Declare no number, no number, ampersand no, m number, begin, package jn procedure, m package jn function, dbms output, line, total, end.